Welcome back to another CoinPong video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use Hyperliquid trading platform, and I'll show you everything you need to know about it. Let's start trading. Whenever you open their website, you're going to click on the start trading button. It's going to bring you to their trading platform, and the first thing you'll need to do is connect your wallet. To start off, quick information about this new fast growing trading platform. Hyperliquid is a crypto derivatives exchange, and it pretty much works just like Binance or any other centralized exchange, except Hyperliquid is decentralized. As long as you have a crypto wallet, you can easily use this platform. Now I'm going to show you how to connect your wallets to this platform. I'll be using my Trust wallet since it's my favorite multi-chain wallet, and it's very simple to use. All you're gonna have to do is click connect on the top right corner. For this example, I'll be using Wallet Connect. After you click on it, it's going to give you this QR code. You're going to take your phone, open your Trust Wallet application, and scan this code. After that, you're going to simply connect your wallet, wait a couple of seconds, and boom, your wallet will be connected just like that. All you have to do is just agree on these terms and accept your signature request on your phone, just like I did in the screen recording. And that's how simple it is to connect your wallet. Now I'll show you how to deposit your money. I'll be using MEXC. It is my all-time favorite trading exchange platform, and the reason why is because it's very safe and trusted with the lowest fees on the market and has very good sign-up bonuses. I'll leave a link in the bio so you can check it out and give it a try. One thing you have to remember that to deposit on Hyperliquid, you have to use USDC Arbitrum. It is a very important detail because that's the only way you can deposit your money, so keep that in mind. And for you to find your USDC Arbitrum address in Trust Wallet, all you have to do is press receive, type in USDC, select Arbitrum, and you'll have your address right there, just like shown in the screen recording. Now I'm going to show you how to actually get some money to your USDC Arbitrum account. I'll use Solana for this example, so you're going to select Solana, and then you're going to select USDC, and make sure the network is Arbitrum, because that is the most important detail like mentioned before. And now you're going to simply put in the amount you want to transfer to USDC. And now you're just going to press continue and wait a couple seconds for the transaction to actually go through. And here you have it. Now let's move on to the MEXC withdraw. MEXC makes it very easy for you to withdraw your money. All you have to do is click on your wallet, then click on withdraw, and here you're going to select a cryptocurrency, which is going to be the USDC, and then you will go to your Trust wallet and you will select your USDC Arbitrum address. You're going to paste it in there, and you're going to select your Arbitrum network. And after that, you're going to enter your desired withdrawal amount, and you're going to pretty much just press submit, and that's it. And once you have that money in your Trust wallet, all you have to do is go back to Hyperliquid, press deposit, select the USDC Arbitrum, put the amount in you desire, which I did $5 for this example, and you're going to just confirm it on your Trust wallet, and that's it. You'll see it right here in the website. Now let's talk about how to actually trade on this platform. So over here on the top left, you can choose your perpetual trading contract. Hyperliquid does trade perpetuals, and they do have about 100 different contracts here, so you can go look at those and see which ones would you like to trade. Moving on, we can see the mark. That's the current price. Over here we can see the 24-hour volume and change. This is very important to pay attention to every single different contract you choose. Here you can see the open interest, and if you're trading with leverage, you definitely want to pay attention to this funding and countdown as well, because it is very important. These funding rates make sure that the actual price of the specific contract you have chosen stays similarly close to the underlying asset price. So if the funding rate is negative, the short sellers pay a fee to the long sellers, and vice versa. This also indicates that Hyperliquid is not profiting from this. Now I will actually show you how to place an order. You can see a market order and a limit order, and some more advanced features right here as well. So when you place a market order, it will be taken directly from the market and will be placed immediately. Market orders are the best when you're trying to place an order instantly, because this will happen in just a couple of seconds, but you won't get the best price. And when it comes to the limit orders, you can set the price yourself. When would you like to get in? This can cause some delays or even a chance that you won't get in at all. So now I will actually place a market order for Bitcoin. All you have to do is here pay attention to the leverage, and I usually trade on isolated, so you can do that. Confirm that. Leverage, I wouldn't recommend you to trade with too much leverage. Definitely don't go all the way up to 50x. If you want to trade spot trading, keep it at 1x. I usually keep the leverage at 3x. Confirm that. Here you can enter the price. I'll put in $12. Yeah, you just pretty much place the order and wait for it to be submitted. And you are in. When you scroll down, you can see your order right here. And for the sake of the video, I'm just going to close this order. So all you have to do is click on close market, and I'll take out 100% of what I invested and market closed. That's how simple it is for you to get out of the trade as well. Also, a cool feature offered by Hyperliquid is the vault section, where you can follow other people's trades at the bottom right here that other users have created, but I would definitely be careful and only follow someone if you know them or you know who they are. They also offer the HLP vault, which pretty much allows you to deposit your funds and get profits from the actual exchange itself. Of course, the profits are not guaranteed, but as you can see that the past month's returns were about 10%. It is also worth noting that your funds will be locked up for 4 days before you can withdraw them. That will conclude today's guide for Hyperliquid. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, like, share, and comment, and don't risk more than you can afford. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.